Hey everyone, this will be the last video for the October STL Patreon files. We'll be looking at updates and so forth. So if you're interested, go please check them out. And we got looks like Rat Folk that's coming out next month for Emmanuel Bora and some Rat Ogres as well. If you do like the video, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down in the bottom. So we got Batman, ES Monster, got the Sisters of Battle. It's actually a cool looking one as well. We got Omni-Man and Misty for next month. King Mickey for Merge Project figures. For non figures, we're getting Shiva for this month. And Marceline, I believe. No, I forgot what her name was. Marcel. There we go. And your extra loot as well. Noki figurines. We got, I think, Hong Kong Star Rail figure. So we got some October painting one. If you got Bite the Bullet for this month. That's actually pretty cool style painting. Make it look like more cartoonish as well. Lily Patty. Got Shantir, Blood Fallen. That looks pretty damn good. You can go pick up. Star Wars Patron. We got the Blaster. If you're interested in that as well. We got Darth Raven, I believe. CA3D, Rambo, and Darth Yoda. Whatever becomes evil. And you got Dobby. A lot of people go after him like crazy, like my wife. Got some orcs. There's something like the parody of The Walking Dead. Beast Creation. Looks like we're getting undeads for it. Yeah, lots of fucking undeads. Holy shit. These are also like Age of Empire, Age of Sigmar proxies as well. Master Roshi. Sculpt. November. We're gonna get. This is a November one. We can take a look though. The Smile Shadow. Smile of Shadow. $5. You can get a whole bunch of stuff. Cake, bar. That shelter. And there's someone pretty with that. That's pretty good. Sexy nurse. Ash. This is an STL project. This is from Ruben for next month. GBK previews. Which is our gathering. This is a November one right here. UG. And your Daka Daka store. Well, this is a November one. I'm gonna get a ship for Epic. And this is from Bundy Buddy. Stash. So we've got some lot of different types of spellcaster and brawlers class as well. We have a click shot wraith, illusionist wizard, Rosa cartel enforcers, treasure mimic, illusionist, veteran fighter. That's a pretty good spread. This is a Kickstarter that they have. This is Twin Goddess. They're rendering of what they're going to make. November release. This is the last call for Peach. Beta. Oop, not that one. Well, I think that'll be it, guys. Hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord. I'll talk to you guys next time. Take care, guys. Bye.